President Obama did it again. He made history, baby, but not this time by the shade of his skin, but introducing this new tax. It's called S-CHIP, the State Children's Health Insurance Program. It's for parents who make less than $80,000 a year and get their children free health care. That's right, free health care. Sounds nice? You and I don't get it. We have to go out there and work. Hey, I didn't like this asshole President Bush, but he had the fucking common sense to veto this program 4 fucking times. Alright? This program wants to fucking tax my cigars 800%. 800%! The largest tax in U.S. history! Does that sound fucking right to you? And oh what? You don't care because you don't smoke? Well, fuck you, because he's gonna tax something you like! And that's gonna fucking fuck you all up! That's what's wrong with this country! Selfish motherfuckers! We gotta stick together! Let me tell you a story about this guy Mario, who fucking recently just lost his wife. The love of his life. Mario lives in a trailer. I go visit him. He has no luxuries. The only thing he has is his kitchen table, his AM radio, and smoking his cigarettes while he plays solitaire. He can't even afford to buy fucking cigarettes no more, so he has to fucking roll them. Now you're gonna tax this guy's tobacco? Take that away from him, Mr. Obama. Take the little thing that he has in his life away from him. Does that sound fucking right? I don't know if it sounds right to you, but it don't sound right to me. This is your pal Fal for the American Rant Network. Mr. Obama, you're taking away our freedom and our choices to choose, and that's not fucking right. S-CHIP, 2 hands down.